Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today we are going to talk about peach, the glossy skinned fruit. Stay with me until the end of the video. The peach, or prunus persica, is a deciduous tree that bears edible juicy fruits with various characteristics. Most are simply called peaches, while the glossy skinned, non-fuzzy varieties are called nectarines. Though from the same species, they are regarded commercially as different fruits. The tree is regarded as handsome and is planted in gardens for its springtime blooms. In addition to fruit production, it is relatively short-lived, usually not exceeding 20 years of age. Peaches were first domesticated and cultivated in China during the Neolithic period. The specific name persica refers to its widespread cultivation in Persia, from where it was transplanted to Europe. It belongs to the genus prunus, which also includes the cherry, apricot, almond, and plum, and which is part of the rose family. The peach is very popular. Only the apple and pear have higher production amounts for temperate fruits. In 2023, China produced 65% of the world total of peaches and nectarines. The peach is a deciduous tree or tree-like shrub that may very rarely grow to as much as 10 meters tall, but is more typically 3 meter with large specimens reaching 4 meter. The spread of the crown is similar to the height ranging from 3 to 4 meter. They do not produce suckers or have thorns. The root system is deep, with the roots continuing to grow during the winter season. The bark on the trunk and branches is dark gray with horizontal anticels. It becomes more scaly and rough as the tree becomes older. Twigs on peach trees have a smooth, hairless surface. The bark is usually red, but may be green or the sides not exposed to the sun. As they become older, branchlets weather to become gray in color. Twigs have terminal buds at their ends. Peach leaves are oblong to lanceolate, having sides nearly parallel until tapering at end and base or shaped like the head of a spear. The widest portion of the leaf is midway or further towards the leaf tip. Each leaf folds along the central rib of the leaf and is often also curved, usually 7 to 15 centimeters long and 2 to 4.5 centimeters wide. Though occasionally they may be shorter, the surface of the leaves is smooth and hairless, but the leaf stem sometimes has glands. The edges of the leaves have serrated edges with blunt teeth. The teeth have a reddish-brown gland at the tip. Let's go to tell you some of the benefits of peaches. Number 1. Benefits of peaches for the body. Peaches have many health benefits, including the treatment of high cholesterol, obesity, cancer, diseases of the human nervous system, and blood status. This fruit promotes healthy skin, strengthens your nervous system, and makes your bones and teeth stronger. This fruit contains various antioxidants that are very useful during pregnancy and has anti-aging and detoxifying properties. Number 2. Benefits of peaches for the lungs. Peaches are rich in phenolic and carotenoid compounds that have anti-tumor and anti-cancer properties and help fight various types of cancers, including breast, lung, and colon cancer. Also, the presence of antioxidants and other substances in the lungs, such as lutein, has given this fruit a high anti-inflammatory property that can be effective in lung health and improvement. Number 3. Peach benefits for skin and eyes. Peaches protect the human body from free radicals and sunlight due to their high vitamin C content and promote skin health. Peaches are rich in antioxidants such as zeaxanthin and lutein, which have anti-inflammatory effects and prevent abnormal inflammation at body cells. Peaches prevent cell death and moisturize and refresh your skin. Peaches are also a great source of beta-carotene. This substance is converted into vitamin A in the body, which helps improve your eyesight and prevents eye diseases and cataracts. At the near end of this video, I want to tell you disadvantages of peach. One of the disadvantages of peaches for some people is that they are allergic to it and therefore their allergy symptoms occur when they consume it. Also, people who are allergic to sulfites should not use dried peaches. The potassium in peaches, if consumed in excess, causes hyperkalemia, which causes weakness, fatigue, low blood pressure, and dizziness. The high amount of fiber in this fruit may also cause problems for people with intestinal and digestive problems. People who have problems with water consumption due to improper kidney function should not drink large amounts of water. It is better to consume peaches in small amounts. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information of other veggies and fruits, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about peaches, ask in the comment section. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.